news who those are the news that I am very scared of. Because why I'm scared, I do very perfect analysis and everything, and those news 20-30% times it just respected my analysis, and remaining it never respected my analysis. Just those kind
Like
of news
destroys
never
it. Yeah.
respected. But the small news
Yeah.
still Forex Factory is showing those are the high news. But remaining news, those the five news that I said to avoid, right, come after 10 minutes after the news. But remaining most of the news you will see whenever you have mark your zone, right, brother. If the zone is
Yeah.
how much above or how much below in from the CMP, like the current market price, this news is always will respect you that particular level, and then it will go as the level wanted to go. But the CPI,
Yeah.
NFP, JOLT, and the other two report, it did respect sometime. But brother, I have blown so many account with those five news.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Right,
I know what you mean. Especially when they change the federal interest rate.
right. Because those are the news
Yeah.
never respected any analysis. Those are the news
Yeah.
eventually for the institution. They have their level, they let them play.
Yes.
This is not our play. Our play,
Yeah.
we played very well without news also. So sometimes you have to, let it go. This is not our time to
Yeah.
enter on
Yeah.
anywhere.
That's right. That's right.
Okay.
Okay. So that was my trend lines.
So you
What
are
do you
very
think
you
of
are
my?
very good, and I have learned from you. And the very bad news is I was recording it from my computer, and my kid did that thing.
Oh no! You lost the recording. Oh no!
It is not auto recorded, so it will be eventually. I should have recorded from my tab eventually.
Yeah. Yeah.
Anyway, brother, you were good. I think I should not interfere. To be honest, I should not interfere because the thing you were very good. I should not interfere on that thing. Tomorrow is your directional day.
Okay.
When I said tomorrow, that means the next session, brother, and you are
Yeah.
graduate from Profit View, okay, and
Okay.
and and you are done. So I have a very small request. You say I did also from to Rachit. Please take me with you guys sometimes. I want to learn from you guys.
Okay. Sure. Next time we have our call,
Yeah.
we will ask you to join.
Sure, sure. Rachit is a very nice guy. He was before with some other mentor. He got no, when he joined me, the one thing he was always telling, like, the guy who he joined, he said market is not good, market is not favorable for trading, and that thing could be said like one day. Okay, today's market bad, maybe we are not
Yes.
going to trade, but continuously saying 7 to 10 days, it is not something that good, right? So I said we will
Yeah.
see,
Yeah.
we
Yeah.
will see, and as I said,
Yeah. I know a lot of those. Not all these other mentors are good, and even in the Malaysian SNR space, you have some that you have to wait so long for a setup, so long,
to be honest, if I'm going
and
to be frank
it
with you,
becomes
brother,
very boring.
I am going to very be frank with you. When I start become profitable trader, when I start become profitable trader, this is not something I brag, and I do not talk like that way. You were with me quite a few days, right? I do not speak or talk like
Yep.
that way. When I start become a profitable trader, so-called few Malaysian guru started only demo that time. Okay. And out of, if you ask me, I can show you only one legit guy out of every Malaysian who is teaching, only one. Name, I
Yep.
name all of them big one, only one, which is Ali Yusuf 411. That guy,
Yep.
he is the best out of everyone. He is only profitable. Other no one.
Okay.
And everyone, name every one of them, every one of them is scam.
Everyone is a scam.
Right.
Okay.
As I said, You good with the trend line, I give you the credit with the trend line, right? Out of
Yeah.
everyone, only one guy, the 411 guy, he is legit. His teaching is legit, and he
Hmm.
is the only one who shows you the lot size, who shows you the withdraw. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
And everyone is
Understood.
everyone is opening like 0.001 lot. So the thing you were
Yeah.
doing, you joined me with 1 month, you were doing the 0.001 month, and last time we spoke you were 700% up.
Yes. Yes.
So
That's right.
there is no difference between like those are, and one more thing, very bad thing with those teacher, I hate those teacher. You want to show something, you show the live market, show the reaction, what is going on with the next thing. Like if
Yeah.
you see today is 3rd July, and if you want to show me the 2nd July, you already know the market, and if you know a little
Hmm.
bit basic of the market, you could make thousand reason why this happened.
Yeah.
so,
Yeah.
so this is, and all of them what I saw, I have time to watch few videos, and all of them watch showing everything from the back market. And back
From
market,
back testing.
right,
Yes.
back market is not good. Back market is not good for learning. Back market is good for showing, but when you are doing, why, why the complaint is so much, right? Why people do that much of complaining? Like Malaysian one is doing so good with the back testing, but when I started to forward testing, I started to become a losing one.
Yeah.
That's the
Yeah.
only
Yeah.
reason.
Hmm.
And
I mean, from my experience with Malaysian SNR is it was the first. It's good in ways where it taught me patience, not
yeah,
to take too many trades,
yeah,
to wait for
that's the
setups,
good thing, to be honest.
and so that was good. The second thing that it taught me was that when you are focusing on a specific level from the higher time frame, those are the ones that will generally give you the bigger moves
Right.
that before I didn't know. So, and I would get sometimes I would have a level I would enter and automatically it would just fly from it. But sometimes it wouldn't. So I knew there was something missing in what I was doing. Uh, and that's how I found you.
I did not knew that you were in the group. Like suddenly I just said you and you said I agree, and then I said okay fine, and then the storm, the storm was there, and exactly on that time.
You know, I joined your group like maybe 1 week, and
Ah,
then you opened up the mentorship. I signed up straight away. I didn't even think, because what I was seeing that you were sharing on the free group, I knew that it was. I was very confident that what you were sharing was legit, and not. It was very different from what I had seen previously,
and now
the
you know the
way you
inside
spoke, the
information,
way you shared.
how you do lead the bank.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. The only thing I need to focus now on is how to avoid stupid mistakes.
What are the mistake you are making right
So the mistakes that I make are when let's say I miss a setup,
now? Ah,
okay?
and then
Or let's say I had a nice setup, I had it more, and I don't hold it, I close it. And then
ah,
it goes. And
no,
then I
no,
start
no. In
feeling
that
bad.
case, in that case,
Why did I close it? Or why did I miss it?
in that case, brother, look, with my way, right? With my way, the stop loss is very few. You are witnessing in your live account, right? Stop loss is very few. So
Yes,
when and
yes.
the one will move, you can literally know within 10 minutes that this one is going to give me the TP, right?
Yeah,
So you just let it go.
yes, yes.
Let it go. Put the trade, someone, Mahmudul Hassan from the group, like the guy who asked a lot of question, I gave him one session. He literally do from
Yeah,
the first session I do, right? He did a lots of back testing, and I saw what
yeah.
every month, last 3 months back testing, every month he is left with at least 600 to 700 pips after hitting the SL. He's like just doing 60 30, 30 pip SL, 30 pip SL, 60 pips TP. He just let it go. So last 3 months,
Yeah.
every month, on average, he's left with like 600 profit, 600 pips profit. Right.
Okay. Okay.
So also
Yeah.
as you already know almost everything. So you are experience this thing also. Like whenever you enter on a trade, the one is going to hit the TP. It don't take that much time. The one is struggling.
Yeah.
That one is the concern. So out of a struggling trade, 50-50 chance. 50% will get the TP. 50% will hit that stop loss. Right, brother? So when
Yes. Yes.
still you are in the profiting one, try to run at least 60 pips.
Yeah.
And if hit stop loss, like it let it take do the
Okay.
stop loss, right? You will see
Let
sometimes,
let it take the stop
right?
loss.
You,
Okay.
you will see
Not
sometimes
so not to close it.
when I post my trade, few trade I post with the struggle,
Yeah.
but still I did not close it, right? Because at the end
You
of the
don't close it. Yeah.
at the end of the day, I know the win rate I have, right? So as we are not here to win 100%, but so why we would lose big nice trade? Think of losing like $3, $5, $300, $500, and we are going to miss like $2,000, $3,000, right? So
Yes.
that's how we
Yes.
should do also,
That's
brother.
right. That's right. Yeah. Yeah. I need to stick to that. I need
Right.
to stick to that. So I need to develop the idea. There's a setup. Colors. Take the trade and just let it run.
Let it run.
If it
Let
hits
it run.
SN or if it hits TP, just let it run.
Right, brother.
Don't
That's
mess
what
with
you
it.
should do. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
So yeah.
Okay, man.
Yeah, oh,
Great.
I did record it few minutes, the last few minutes.
Mhm.
I will post it and I will say learn the trend line with the master of trend line, Omar. I need a very nice picture of you, man. I will put you with the on the thumbnail. Someone said he will do a thumbnail. I send me a very nice picture. In the WhatsApp. I will post it. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Have a
Okay.
great day, brother.
Sure.
Have a great day.
All right.
Okay.
See you, my friend.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.